Bună ziua! Comuna Maracineni este o comună mică cu inimă mare, pentru care se dorește dezvoltarea locală prin modernizarea satului românesc. Primăria Maracineni și Consiliul Local au în topul proiectelor de viitor transformarea comunei noastre într-un centru cultural, economic și turistic național. Celor care doresc să participe la dezvoltarea comunei pe viitor, le oferim facilități investiționale, deschidere spre colaborare și ospitalitate.
Maracineni is located in the center of Arges County. It has a population of about 6,000 inhabitants and a total area of 25.55 square kilometers. The first mention of the village dates back to 1481. Maracineni is bordered by Pitești, which is the county seat, Mioveni, a town well known for Dacia Renault industrial platform, and Ștefănești, where it is the research and development station for viticulture and enology. Thanks to its location, infrastructure, and especially the landscapes, Maracineni ensures to the inhabitants good conditions for living, and it offers to its investors many opportunities and facilities to start a business. As for the settlement of our village, we are lucky to live between the lowlands and the mountains, where the climate is good for agriculture and fruit growing. We have initiated many investment projects which are financially supported by the local council and by European Union, such as improvement of the education quality and comfort of the pupils in our schools. The buildings have been renovated and there have been built 2 sports land. The Romanian school has 4 levels of education: kindergarten, elementary school, high school, and higher education. Maracineni has 4 kindergartens, 2 elementary schools, and 1 high school, with a total number of 770 students. We created 2 playgrounds for children. We invested a lot in our children's education and relaxation. Foreign language education has taken a prominent role in the Romanian education system. Most Romanian pupils study 2 foreign languages, usually English and French. With increasing emphasis on foreign language, especially English, many students are taking internationally recognized exams such as Cambridge First Certificates in English or Certificate of Advanced English, which they use for CVs to get into university, increase their employment options, or pursue international education. Some of our students are internationally recognized for their great results at football, athletics, dances, and tennis. The roads have been improved and we have built parking spaces for the blocks area in order to improve the quality of traffic. We have invested into a video surveillance system and hired policemen who provide the safety of the locals and tourists. Tourism is highly developed in Maracineni due to old churches, Micești Mansion, the Fruit Growing Research and Development Institute, and many others. Romania is undoubtedly a very spiritual country with religious rituals, icons, and celebrations forming the fabric of many people's lives. Among Romanians, the dominant religion is Orthodox Christianity, which claims the support of between 70 and 80% of the population. We're a religious people and we don't lose our traditions and our habits. European Road E85, which connects Pitești to the most visited resorts in Brașov, crosses Maracineni with its entire length. Micești Mansion is the most imposing building in our village. The locals call it the castle. Important rows of our history were written here by the lawyer Istrate Micescu, who wrote the Romanian Constitution in 1938. 25 years later, the mansion became the hunting villa of Nicolae Ceaușescu. Near the mansion, there is also a covered terrace and a swimming pool, built during the communist regime. Fruit Growing Research and Development Institute is well known in Romania and abroad because of the trees and shrubs newly created here. Intensive plantations of plum, apple and cherry trees, blackberry, strawberry and blueberry are carefully monitored against diseases and pests. The Virology and Tissue Cultures compartment offers the scientific knowledge and the adequate facilities to guarantee a healthy fruit virus-free planting material. One of the most important activities is the production of the fruit planting material free of viruses, pathogens, and diseases to offer high-quality, healthy initial plants. There is a permanent and direct cooperation with institutes and researchers from 12 countries, as well as with international organizations. Our institute is yearly visited by a great number of scientists and representatives of foreign companies involved in collaboration programs. Due to its location, Maracineni is booming economically. More than 300 companies with different spheres of activity are located here. Many foreign investors consider Maracineni to be the perfect location for their businesses. Ascol Romania was founded in 2005 as production platform to supply Eastern European and Turkish markets. The company produces drive motors for washing machines and dryers, drain pumps, and fan motor. More than 500 people are working for this company. Agrolact is an important meat and cold meats producer. It delivers most of the meat demand in our county and around, having a great variety of products. Orion Auto Invest has an area of 19,000 square meters. It produces and assembles steel structures for railroads, air conditioning, and energetic industry. The Aplast production produces plastic accessories for vacuum cleaners, cosmetic packages, plastic components used in automotive and constructions. The constructions in the area are being built by the help of natural materials. We are using gravel from our local rivers. Many companies use the railroads in Maracineni in order to transport their merchandise and workers all over the country. Among the companies mentioned above, there are also bakeries, plastic manufacturers, constructors, robotics, and automotive producers. Dacia Renault car factory is located right near our village. Over 80% of the cars produced here are being sent abroad. This month, the company celebrated the production of the car number 5 million. Maracineni has many lands, which are open spaces available for all the investors who would like to come and open a business. It is good to know that due to its great location, Maracineni is right near one of the most important highways in Romania, which can take you to Bucharest in approximately 1 hour. Our goal is to improve the quality of all the auxiliary roads in our village in order to facilitate the traffic for the locals, tourists, and investors.
Dacă vizitați Comuna Maracineni, veți reveni cu drag pentru comorile pitorești, pentru bunătatea oamenilor, pentru felul lor de a fi și pentru felul de a vă găzdui. Îmi place să spun despre Comuna Maracineni că este o poartă deschisă pentru toți aceia care doresc să vină, să investească, să ne ajute pentru dezvoltarea zonei. Vă așteptăm cu drag în Maracineni!